Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add table of contents in Word. We start by opening Word. There you will go to the Insert menu. You are going to click on the Table option. You can select the size of the table. When you click, you will see your table created in the document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.